Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. Looks like today will be the last day of our cooler temperatures. We do have that warming trend that will start kicking in, especially overnight tonight. You'll notice that tomorrow as highs will be back into the 60s. And you see later this weekend and next week, we do have a run of 70-degree temperatures, but there is at least some kind of chance for rain on the way each day over the next 7 days. So a fairly active and kind of complex weather pattern setting up here as we go through the next week or so. Same thing this morning. We do have the temperatures in the 20s and 30s, so most of us have dipped below freezing down to 25 into Queen, 30 for Manny, Shreveport and Texarkana at this hour still above freezing, but there's the chance by the time we get to sunrise could see both of those locations at or below 32 degrees. You see the south wind kind of kicking in this morning at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will stay fairly light out of the south throughout the day, but that is one of the things that will eventually lead to our warming trend. So today, looking at another mostly cloudy day, maybe overcast at times. Have included just a slight chance for a stray shower for a few locations later this afternoon. And look at 9 p.m. tonight, still in the 50s. There's your indication that we will begin to pull in some of the warmer air as we go through the overnight hours. Kind of tough to tell. A lot of low-level cloud cover in place this morning, so we are looking at those partly to mostly cloudy skies this time of the morning. We don't have the sunlight out, so it's hard to tell where the clouds are on satellite, but they are definitely out there once again. We'll kind of widen out the view for you. What's happening today? We're kind of losing our dry northwest wind in the upper levels, so eventually we are going to see a chance of a few showers pop up this afternoon, and you see the upper level low that back out there towards Southern California. That is the one that will move in late tomorrow and into Saturday. Will bring us a chance of a few thunderstorms as we go through the weekend. Again, kind of a wide view across the country. Still have that polar vortex and that very cold air across the upper Midwest. That will start to slide off to the northeast as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours, and that's kind of what's opening up the weather pattern for us to change here in the Arklatex as well. So for a lot of us today, we'll see a return to near normal temperatures. Shreveport at 55, Natchitoches at 57, but there is some cold air trapped north of Interstate 30. Some of the valleys there, 47 for DeQueen and 45 degrees will be your afternoon high in Idabel. Futurecast showing you the cloud cover continuing to make its way through. I've included that slight chance for shower. The few forecast models showing that across northeast Texas and McCurtain County today, and you see maybe a little bit of an uptick in the rainfall as we go through the overnight, but overnight should see those rain chances in that 20 to 30% category. Fairly light totals here, but again, as we move through the day Friday, and especially as we go into Saturday, we will see that rain chance ramp up just a little bit as we go through the upcoming weekend, especially Saturday. Sunday not looking too bad at this point. Look at your rainfall totals here. I'll take you through Sunday night. You can see most locations generally about a quarter inch or less of rain, so you get the idea. Next 3 to 4 days here, there won't be a lot of rain, even though it is in the 7-day forecast, and it looks like our next cold front makes its way through next Tuesday into Wednesday, so we could be looking at rainfall both of those days, and you see the numbers really start to add up in the middle of next week. Again, now the GFS model here showing we could see maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain in some spots with that slow-moving front that kind of stalls across the region here. But until then, warming trend kicks in. Mid-60s Friday, Saturday, low 70s Sunday. Could be in the mid-70s there Monday. Again, lower rain chances Sunday, Monday before that front kind of ramps up the chance for showers and thunderstorms next Tuesday and Wednesday.